In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and photos to GoDaddy Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your site in the editor and replace an image with one from your computer, all without any confusion. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. Click the official GoDaddy website to open it, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your username to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose My Products. On the Products page, find your website builder site and click it to open the editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page or section where you want to update an image. Click directly on the image that's already on your page. That selection opens the editing options for that image. In the Settings panel, look for the Cover Media area. Click the image thumbnail there to bring up your media options, then choose Change Image. Next, select Add Images to open your file picker. A window from your computer will appear. Browse to the folder where your picture is saved, select the image you want to use, and confirm your choice. If you're uploading a large file, give it a moment to finish. When the image appears in the media panel, click Insert. Your new photo will replace the old one on the page. A few quick tips to make this look great. Use high-quality images that are properly sized for web. Large files can slow down your site, so exporting as a compressed JPG or PNG usually works best. Try to pick images with a similar aspect ratio to the one you're replacing to avoid unexpected cropping. If you see a crop or focal point tool after inserting, adjust it so the most important part of the picture stays centered. Consistent lighting and color across your photos will help your site feel polished and professional. And make sure you have the right to use the image. Stick to your own photos, properly licensed stock, or assets you're authorized to publish. After inserting, glance over the layout to ensure text remains readable over the image and that spacing still looks clean. If something seems off, you can repeat the process and try a different image or adjust your selection. That's it. Open GoDaddy, go to My Products, edit your site, click the existing image, use Cover Media to change image, add images, pick your file, and insert. You've successfully added a new image to your GoDaddy website builder site.